Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to learn how to use mirror columns in Monday.com, your one-stop solution for project management. This is a feature that's going to revolutionize the way you view and manage data across your different boards, and we're going to tackle it step by step. First off, let's start by creating a new mirror column. To do this, click on the plus icon in your board and select the mirror option from the drop-down menu. This allows you to directly replicate information from one board to another, saving you the trouble of manual input and ensuring data consistency. Now that we have our mirror column, we need to link it to another board. Click on the Link to Board option in the column settings. This is the magic behind the mirror column. It allows you to select which board and specific column you'd like to connect. This ensures that all data from the selected board is reflected accurately in the mirror column of your current board. Next up, we need to map our columns. Don't worry, it's not as complex as it sounds. All you need to do is to click on the mirror column settings again and select the Manage option. This allows you to decide what data you want to pull from the linked board. This feature gives you immense flexibility, as you can choose to mirror multiple columns depending on your project needs. By now, you've set up your mirror column and are probably wondering, why is this important? Well, the reason we do this is to reduce duplication of work and maintain data accuracy across your projects. It's all about streamlining your workflow and making your project management process more efficient. Lastly, let's quickly touch on how to edit mirrored information. You might be surprised to learn that you can't directly edit mirrored data. This helps us because it maintains the integrity of the original data. If you need to make changes, you'll have to do it on the original board where the data was first inputted. This avoids confusion and ensures that your teams are always working with the most up-to-date information. And there you have it. You've now learned how to use mirror columns in Monday.com. It's a powerful tool that's going to boost your productivity and make your life a whole lot easier. Stay tuned for more tips on how to get the most out of Monday.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.